guys, it's Dylan. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an origami 3-sided ninja star. In this video, it'll take about 10 minutes. But once you get really good at making them, it can take you up to 5 minutes or even less. In the end, it's going to look something like this. But I'm not going to use colored sheets of paper. To make it first, you want to take a piece of square paper. I recommend bigger than sticky note size. And they have to be the same size, all three. You fold it like this, corner to corner. Like that, for both sides, to make an X in the middle. Make the creases both very hard. The first step, you want to have the point of the triangle facing towards you. You take the point and this whole part, and you line this part up with this part, like this. Then you take this extra part and fold it so this line is right next to this line. And so that there's a little mini triangle right about here. Like that. Then you take this line and line it up with this line. Just like this. Like that. Then you take the bottom half, and you fold it up so this line is right by this line on top of. When you're folding it, you notice that the two corners, this corner and this corner, will end up on top of each other. Then you have a piece of paper that's going to look like this. You want to unfold this flap, and this flap. So it looks like this. And you also want to unfold this part. Then you want to take this and fold it so it's on this crease, like that. So before, it goes like this, and then you unfold it, unfold it, unfold it, then you take this and fold it like that. Then you want to take from these two flaps, both of them, you take it and fold it so that this line is up against this line, like that. Then you take this part and fold it up like that. Have this to there. Then that first crease that you made, that's when it comes in handy. That first X part, that's why you wanted to make the creases very hard so that you could see it right now. It's right, that line right there. Probably can't see it. You want to take a pen, if you would like to, and you draw a mark right where this is right next to the paper. Right there. Then you draw a mark where the crease ends. Right there. Make it a little bit darker. Then, if you want to, you can draw a line connecting the two dots, if it helps. Then you can unfold this part, and you can take this top part and fold it directly on top of that line. Just like that. And then you'll have this. You want to take all of this and wrap it like this. Then you take this extra part and tuck it, into this flap right here. Just like this. If it helps, you can fold it down so that the line is just like that. That's usually what I do. Then you'll have one of these modules. You're gonna need to make 3. So here we have 3 modules. You want to flip them all over so that there's the pocket that you didn't tuck anything into on the front. Now, you want to take one of them and you want to take this point part and tuck it into there. Into the flap where there's nothing in it. So then you have this. Then you take the third module and put it into this flap here, where there's nothing in. And you have this. Then you want to take these 2 parts and put one behind the other. Like this. You know you've done it right when you have this design in the middle. Then you take this last point and tuck it into this flap right here. And there you have it, the 3-sided ninja star. I'm going to show you one that I created the other day and how to throw it. So, what you do is you want to have the part where there is no design on facing upwards. And then the way I throw it is I throw it by doing this. I hold it like this, put my middle finger on the bottom like this, put my pointer finger on the side, and then my thumb on the top, like that. And then I throw it by doing like this, and then with my pointer finger, I make it spin the opposite direction. Like that. Let's test it out. This time, we'll test it out with the design forcing pointing up. A little bit better, but mostly the same. Thank you for watching. Bye.